Okay, we've got an R1 that's been stood for a long time in the garage, so I've put a new battery on it. And we have got power, but no starter, but it's got an alarm on, a key fob that's not responding. So we're going to have a look at that, but I think Jerry's in here somewhere. He's been shitting all over the shop, so hopefully he's not caused too much damage like on the Hayabusa that we've had to replace half the wiring harness. Well, let's see what we can see. Hello? Hello? He's not going to jump out at me and bite me all right, is he? Dig into it. Well, there wasn't a mouse in the house, although it has been eating everything. Making my ears itch, but she's in the land of the living again.